Your Google ad budget is about to stop working, and the reason is sitting in Google's own numbers. In 2025, Google made $294 billion on ads. But starting last year, that money started leaking. That leak is structural because OpenAI just told their investors that they expect to capture $100 billion in ad revenue by 2030. Now, this isn't new ad spend. That's money that's being moved from one place to another, stolen, if you will. Most business owners haven't realized that they're already inside it. There's one specific Google product line that loses that revenue first, but it's probably not the one that you'd guess. In the next few minutes, we're going to cover why this is happening, where that $100 billion comes from, and how painful it could actually get. And to understand the why, you need to understand where the money is. Because with advertising, where you find intent, that's where you find money. For the past 25 years, nearly every commercial decision in the modern economy passed through a Google search query. And Google monetized our intent better than just about any other company in history. That's how a search box became a $300 billion ad business. But search behavior is changing. You have the same person, the same query, the same intent, but a different surface. And once that behavioral shift happens, the ad revenue follows. And even though the advertisers won't move immediately, they are moving. Brands have committed budgets, agency contracts, and attribution all tied to Google. They don't move overnight. Right now, we're in the slow-moving phase. That's why ChatGPT ads are so cheap. But by 2027, they won't be. The ad spend doesn't move because OpenAI built better technology. It moves because consumer behavior has already changed. The customer left. But is it actually a $100 billion move? OpenAI's stated trajectory is $2.5 billion in 2026 and over $100 billion by 2030. That's a 40x move in 4 years. Based on the size and scale of the overall advertising industry, that's just not possible to source from anywhere else other than stealing from your competitors. And $100 billion is roughly 38% of Google's entire 2024 ad revenue, vacated to a competitor that didn't even exist commercially 3 years ago. That's not a market share squeeze. That's a structural reset of the entire advertising industry. Because even the legacy brands that started and scaled on AdWords are leaving. Comparison affiliate sites that are running multi-vertical campaigns at portfolio scale. AI native brands running AI tools against AI tool buyers. They're all already on top of it. Everyone else is set to arrive over the next 24 months. As a new ad platform, you have to steal your way into this game. So every 5 years, someone ships the next ad platform. But no one has successfully moved $100 billion. New advertising spend that came onto their platform was mostly additive. New audiences, new formats. With the expansion of TikTok, advertisers were mostly adding a new TikTok line item. They didn't remove a Google line. However, now, when a CFO asks ChatGPT, what's the best CRM for our 20-person SaaS startup, that query was previously running on Google. Now it's been moved, not added. That's the structural difference and the reason why the $100 billion shift is not just possible, but plausible. For example, HubSpot's 2024 marketing spend was over $1.5 billion, and a significant chunk of that is paid search. Public estimates put Google ads in the tens of millions per year, calibrated to where those search queries happen. This is HubSpot right now. They can't really afford to wait. Move even 10% of their budget, and that is millions relocating. Multiply that by every public software company, and you see where the numbers can really add up. So who moves first in this game? On average, SaaS buyers typically evaluate 3 to 5 alternatives before deciding on the system that they want to use. Those evaluation conversations have already migrated since ChatGPT is dramatically better at comparison reasoning. HubSpot, Atlassian, Notion, ClickUp, all of these have a migration plan in development. Legal services and financial products are also high consideration decisions. So it's not a surprise that LegalZoom is already advertising on ChatGPT alongside credit card affiliate networks and wealth management firms. Comparison and purchase platforms are already moved as well. Expedia is at the top of the list. Overall, ChatGPT is winning the research phase from Google before the buyer ever talks to a salesperson. But not all the spend will move overnight. Performance marketing categories with established attribution stacks probably are going to stay where they are a little bit longer. That migration won't be uniform. It's not search overall. It's not YouTube. Search ads on commercial comparison queries, though, specifically, that subset is the most exposed slice. And that makes up roughly 25% of Google's total search ad revenue. And it's the most exposed. If you're advertising there today, then you may want to consider where you need to be. It's not a question of whether you move. It's really a question of, will you be too late? For example, if Google doesn't act fast enough, that can have some pretty significant waterfall effects. Budgets get cut, services get repriced, and you might even have to end up paying for that personal Gmail account of yours. Because the model that Google has leaned into over the past 25 years is already showing cracks. Now, if you're a business owner and any meaningful part of your customer acquisition comes from comparison-style Google queries, then you have about a 24-month window to be on the new auction before sophisticated competitors are all going to arrive. You're not buying clicks, you're buying account history and CRS, and both of those compound. A 9-month-old account with a high CRS is going to pay materially lower CPAs than a brand new account when CPCs start to inflate. And because the entire consideration process is entirely different when using AI, landing pages will need to be rethought. The agency category for AI ads doesn't exactly exist yet. Run 100 clicks yourself before scaling it up to 1,000. If all this sounds confusing, well, it's a brave new world out there. I'm here to help you through it. Check out this video right here.